So I had 180 GB of total files to send. There is no platform which can send this amount of file except export and file delivery, both you can say, or you can separate it. Now export, as I've already told, you must know when you are setting up the software, you should know where your file is going. Now you have edited it, you know what resolution was there, what codec was there before the edit, what resolution, what codec is there during the edit, and what resolution, what codec you need to export. You are giving it to YouTube, you are giving it to Facebook, you are giving it to TV, you are giving it to theaters, you are giving it to particular OTT. Each and every OTT, you go to Netflix and Prime, they have this full documentation, what specifications that need, which cameras are approved cameras for their OTT. All those specifications are there. Those specifications need to come in your export settings. You need to understand about metadata, that all this metadata files should not be lost while you are exporting. See, export, one more point I will add in export. Many people, even us, many times we just give one export and done, and we upload it. Okay. Generally speaking, for clients, when we do corporate films, we have to give multiple export. One main file and one file for this resolution, one file for that resolution, one file will go to the MD, one file will go to this guide, one file is going to come with changes. A professional editor gives multiple outputs, multiple exports before giving the final main output. And then last is file delivery. You have just cut and exported it, that is not enough. You need to reach out, you need to send the file, and many people find it a problem in sending the file to this OTT platform. We cannot set MP4, or we have to send the full size ProRes file, and 35-minute ProRes files goes up to 40 GB. 10-minute file goes up to 20 GB. So I had 180 GB of total files to send. There is no platform which can send this amount of file except CineSend. CineSend is an excellent platform where you can keep a poster, keep your file details, keep a list of cast and the crew, and from that directly you can send to festivals, or directly you can send to the client or any OTT platform or anywhere else. vtransfer.com, cinesend.com, these are two good file delivery methods. Google Drive is also one. There's one technology called FTP, File Transfer Protocol. CineSend is a kind of FTP. FTP is used by all the news channels. Suppose something happens in a village near Pune and you have to send footage to Delhi, the main headquarters. They will shoot the footage, they will come to Pune to some FTP center and they will upload the footage, and FTP file transfer protocol that will go, but it is costly. It is very costly. All those things, vTransfer, CineSend, all these things are free.